Morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Today's the 6th? Yes, Vlogmas day 6. It is Sunday morning. I'm making breakfast. Sophia wanted eggs and salami today, so that's what I'm making her. I'm making myself some pancakes, and then when my husband wakes up, I'll make him something. I hope you all have an amazing day today. Sophia's just here playing with her doll. Yeah, like I said, today's Sunday. Sundays for me usually is always cleaning day as well. So I have to clean again today and see what we do today. But I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will check back with you guys later.
No, I will know.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda.
As you saw, my daughter just made me give her a little pampering session. I painted her nails. No, I gave her a little foot massage. I painted her nails, and then I put a face mask on her. She is so extra. I cannot deal. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning. Again, I feel like I said, I feel like I'm cleaning this house every single day. It's annoying. It's currently almost 2:30. We're still home. We haven't gone out. See what the day holds, but I do have to go buy more food for Sophia's hamster and little bedding stuff that goes in his cage. We gotta go buy that. So that's probably what we're gonna do today too. And probably go to church later as well.
Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
Hey guys, so welcome back to Vlogmas day 7. Yeah, today's Monday, and as per usual, I'm starting the vlogs off late. It is currently 5:15. I just got home from work about like 15 minutes ago, and I'm already starting to cook dinner. I didn't upload yesterday's vlog because literally I think it was like probably 4 minutes long. So that's gonna be one that I combine with this Vlogmas day 7. So I'll be posting that up. I'll be posting those up together. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook dinner, and then later I'm probably gonna do a little workout because I've been working out from home. And what else I have to do today? Finish up the laundry because I started my husband's laundry yesterday, and I need to finish his laundry up. And I didn't go buy my daughter's hamsters food. He still has some right now, okay? So I don't want you guys to think that, oh, I didn't buy him food, so he's starving. No, he still has a little bit left. I just have to buy him more. And I have to buy him more of the little bedding thing that goes inside. But yeah, probably gonna go do that. It's a Monday. I don't really have nothing to do like every day. You know, what else is new? Oh, and also I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just bake some cookies with Sophia because she likes baking. I like baking. I'm not the best at it, but I have the Joanna Gaines cookbook, so I'll probably follow a recipe from hers But yeah, or I'll probably just Pinterest something because you can find anything on Pinterest. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing today. Like I said, it's Monday. I hope you all enjoyed or are enjoying your Monday. I'm actually gonna cook spaghetti. I'll probably film a little bit of it. It's how would you say it? So spaghetti con crema. They're like a Honduran spaghetti, I guess you would say. So I'll probably film that. My mom told me, like, showed me how to do it, and this is how I do it. I like tweaked it a little bit, I guess. I don't follow the complete steps that you're supposed to follow, but I'll probably just film that for you guys so you can see. So Sophia just got home and she's happy because at school one of her classmates gave her a little present for her birthday, since her birthday was 2 weeks ago. But it's so cute, so she's super excited. And she also got new shoes that my husband's cousin bought her as well. Thank you, Diana. Super cute. And now she wants to do her little advent calendar thing. So let's go do that. Today is December 7th, Fia.
7th, I know. This is the sour one?
No, it's just a regular Jolly Rancher.
Oh. What's these?
Smarties or Smart Tart, something like that.
I don't like Smart Tart.
Try. I'm sleeping low because I'm in my restroom, but my daughter's sleeping in the bed, so I don't want to wake her up. And yes, I put her to sleep in my bed first, and then I transfer her to her bed. If any of you mommies know a better way of how to get your child to just fall asleep on their bed by themselves, let me know down below, because I can't get my daughter to sleep, like fall asleep on her bed by herself. I have to be laying down with her in my bed, and then I wait for her to go to sleep, and then I transfer her to her bed. It is already 10:30. I just finished my little workout, and I'm about to wax my brows. I need to do my brows because I've not touched my brows in the longest time. When the whole quarantine happened, I didn't go get them done, and then right now that everything's kind of, I guess I would say, opened up, I haven't gone just because I have not found the perfect brow lady. I used to get them waxed, and then every time I go wax, they would not be even. And then I started getting them threaded. I would go get them threaded every time. They would make them thinner and thinner. So I was like, you know what? Let me just let them grow. And I have been letting them grow out for a while. Then I kind of just do them myself here at the house. But I do them and then I go months without doing them, and then I do them again. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just do my brows. And I just have my wax heating up right there. It's 10:30. I wish there was more time in the day for me to get stuff done. Honestly, like I had said I was gonna make cookies with Sophia, but then we had to go do something real quick, and then when we got back home, it was just time for me to get her ready for bed. So we didn't have time to do that. So we might do them tomorrow. All right, you guys. They're super close. So another thing also why I had stopped going to different eyebrow people is because, you know, when they mess them up, it's like you're pissed, but I mean, what are you gonna tell them? You know what I mean? So at least this way, if I mess them up, I'll be mad at myself and it's okay because I did it. But you know, when like somebody else messes something up on you, it's kind of like, what the fuck? All right, let's do this. Guys, I suck at this. You know when they say like your eyebrows are sisters, not twins? Yeah. So that's how my brows look. I mean, I don't know. They look pretty even to me. And then also wax my mustache. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shower, guys, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a night. I don't gotta do anything else but just take a shower, and that's it. Oh, an update on the mascara I showed you guys. I don't know how I feel about it. I like how it makes my lashes look, but if you see here, like it has like, what is it called, fallout, or it starts like breaking up, or I don't know, like smudging. That's the word I'm looking for. It starts smudging. So I don't know, I really like that. That's why I love the L'Oreal one and the Thrive Cosmetics ones, because you don't get none of this. But I don't know. I guess maybe because I worked out. I don't know. I'm gonna give it another try. I've been wearing it every day, but I've kind of noticed towards the end of the day, the mascara looks like that. I don't know. I'm probably gonna try a different one from the Essence brand. So yeah, we'll see. I call it a night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.